Okay, Jewelry Divas. So we're moving on to our next link, and this is the Lightbulb Link. Makes sense, right? Can you see that? Can you actually see the possibilities of what you can make with this? That would be awesome. Ta-da! So, so for this one, you're going to want to get some 20 gauge wire and that ink pen that we used before. So straighten your wire, of course. So we're going to start to just, you're going to place the wire on the pen. And I have a pretty good length because, I just like to work long. But hold that tip and just start winding around the body of the pen. I'm going to go about, how many did I go? Let me quit lying because 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is going to be my top link. Okay. So don't cut that, but please slide it off. I want to also announce that this is how you make jump rings too. So there's a bonus in that. So what you're going to do is you have your coil now. Okay, you have your coil. You're going to grab your cleaners and make a bend upwards so that the wire is pointing up. See? Well, up towards me like that. That's how it will look. But from the side, this is how it will look. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to take that pen and you're just going to find a spot toward the bottom, wrap that wire around so it's like this, right? Now you see how the wire is touching the coils. I'm going to make that cut right about there because we're going to tuck it on the inside. So this is where you can add, if you're making earrings, you can add your things at the bottom or whatnot. Okay. So I'm going to tuck that in on the inside. Wait, let me do that again because I was talking. So it's open. I'm going to tuck it in gently so that it's on the inside and see. Wait, can you see? Well, it's right there on the inside, okay? So this part that we have, that beginning coil that we held with the thumb, you're gonna go in between and just grab that with your cleaners and make a bend forward so that it lifts that loop up. You see? And so now you have your light bulb link, which I can make earrings. This can be a pendant, a focal pendant. You can also embellish this. So this gives you more ideas to create with. That would be a funky necklace, by the way. So let me know how you liked this one, and I'd love to see what you create. Okay? Enjoy.